Hello everyone, my name is Mavlon. In this video, I will show you how to write a job description for your company in under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes! So let's get started. For this task, we're gonna be using an AI writing assistant called Research AI, and you can learn more on researchai.co. And once you sign up and logged in, you can access to this text editor. So on the left, we have AI configuration. This field is for setting the background. Basically, you can write down about what you are writing, so AI knows about the subject and what to write about. Next, you can customize output lengths. We're gonna keep it longer today, and let's start. So we can say like creative. I'm just copying this text because nothing is coming on top of my head. So creative job description for let's say software engineering software engineering position. Okay, now AI knows about what we are writing. We can get started. So the way AI works is basically you give some context, and based on context it writes something. So if you give a blank piece of paper, it's not gonna produce high quality content because it doesn't know about what to write, and that's why you need to give at least 120 characters so it knows your sentence structures, how to write, and basically some example to write about. And next we can also, as a reminder, all the text generated by AI is 100% original and is not copied or plagiarized from anywhere on the internet. So let's start. Okay, Twilio is a technology company based in San Francisco. Currently, and they are hiring. Currently, not they are, this is gonna be we are hiring, and I'm gonna press and see what happens for a software engineer backend Java position. Okay, Twilio is looking for an experienced software who is ready to take ownership of Twilio's backend systems, our software that runs on Amazon Web Services and allows our customers. And if you know what to say here and you can add some input, that's great. But if you don't, you can always press to compose customers to communicate with their users through voice and SMS. Twilio is funded by top-tier VCs and have raised, I'm not sure about this figure, but I'm pretty sure about voice and SMS. That's pretty accurate. In funding to date, we have raised our first round of institutional funding and we are looking for people who allow to build scalable systems and want to work in a fast-growing environment. Great. Okay, fast growing environment, and we can say Java. So we are writing for a backend position. Okay, so some of the responsibilities one cool thing you can make here, like you can tell the AI to make something about something. For this, for example, make a list of responsibilities of a backend software engineer, and put the colons. Is important because otherwise it's gonna think it's a sentence. Let's see. Without having to build core systems themselves, work with product managers, designers. Great. Looks like this is what they do, but data indexing, format messaging, make sure that developers can easily extend themselves, work with product managers, designers, and work with cross-functional teams to build user-friendly teams to build scalable products. Okay, we can say as a back end developer, you will be working on something like this, and some of the programming languages that we use are some like Java, let's see, Java, Scala. Our stack includes Linux, and yeah, Memcache, Redis, etc. The job is remote, and the job is remote or per request. You can choose a hybrid option. Per request, you can choose hybrid option. We got a cool office in the center of San Francisco, so not everything is going to be 100% accurate, but you can edit them. You can also work from your home, from a coffee shop, or from a beach. The most important thing that you need to do is deliver amazing products and collaborate the team. I'm just making this stuff up, but you can always write the actual real thing. I'm not the recruiter, so yeah, we can remove instead of this we can sing. Okay, interested candidates, please send us your resume. If you're interested, send your, yeah, it's not, sometimes this is not gonna do a whole lot. So candidates, please send us your resume and our HR will get back to you. All right, now I told you we're gonna be writing in 5 minutes, but we are a little over time, so we spent around 2 minutes for describing this thing, and now we are at 9 point something. So we instead of 5 minutes, we wrote this in about like 7 minutes, but with a little bit more time, you can make this a perfect resume for your job. It could take you an hour, but you can do always in a less time. So I hope you like this, and check out Research AI. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and see you next time.